Hello, this is Sylvester and he's still sleeping. And the only reason for that is because we haven't started cutting yet. And what are we going to cut today? It's going to be this nice pine plank. And also there's another big piece of plywood. And these will be cut for a loudspeaker project. And this will be the speaker, a pair of bookshelf speakers for Alex, and these will be two-way loudspeakers. And here we already did a little bit of preparation for that. And so what I have done is, or actually what we have done with Alex, is that we measured. This will be the length of the height of the front panel, height of the back panel, and then we will also need the top and the bottom. So this is an 8 feet long piece, 8-inch wide and 3/4 inch thick, and in practice it means it's 19 millimeter thick, 18.4 centimeter wide, and about 20-30 centimeters short compared to what we need. But luckily we have another piece and we have enough length. So when you are trying to choose wood for your loudspeakers, for front and back, those are the most critical panels, especially the front. And you want to look at the wood and see how the surface is. So we have chosen the top part and this part for the front panel because there are no knots in these areas. And then for the bottom and the top part there will be some knots over there, but those are not so critical. And also, as you can notice, there's some chips over here, so we are going to cut the end off to make it more even. Now I won't show the cutting because that would need more hands than we have together, and we will need all 4 hands to do the cuts. And if you are building speakers for yourself, all you need really is a jigsaw to do the cuts. Or if you have a circular saw, it's even better. And if you have a table saw, then it's getting easier and more precise. So the bigger your saw is, the nicer the cut will be. But really it doesn't matter, only if you want to win prizes for craftsmanship. If that's not your goal, then don't be afraid of the jigsaw. It will be your best friend. And one more thing, that when you are doing cuts, always be mindful of protection. So wear eye protective glasses, wear ear protection to protect your ears from the noise. There's not much point of building loudspeakers if you damage your ear with loud equipment, right? You want to hear the speakers after you build them. So our progress will be that we will cut first these panels, and do not just measure out the length of the panel, one panel length of the second panel, etc., because then you will be missing pieces, and that's because the saw blade has a width, and when you cut it off, the next piece will be that much shorter. So either measure it by adding the width of the blade, or measure it after you have cut the first cut. So what I have done is that for this saw, I can put this guide bar here, lock it down, and just feed here the plank, and it will have a set length. So I can just 3 times cut it, and then we will have the exact same length for all of the 4 pieces. So we will do that and return after that.